tell them only palio. He left my bed and my mama side.
Transfer it.
Hello, people from. We're going to. Where are we going? Eat. Yeah, we're going to eat. Eat again. I just ate. Well, I didn't eat a lot. You never really tried a dried fish. It was so salty. With my cousin.
Where do you have it?
Guys, if you're single out there, my cousin is single. Got 2 jobs and feed like 20 people. Yeah, so here at the buffet. Oh my god, I can't believe I get lost. Two? This way, please. Oh, already? Guys, we're here at the buffet. I just got some salad and shrimp, and I think that's baked scallop and some calamaris. Avengers Infinity War. So what is this? This is back road. Go over there. Good? Is this Santana?
Yeah. Don't you see? There's a lot of Hispanic, Mexican.
I know. Okay, we're here. What's the name of this place?
South Coast Plaza.
South Coast Plaza. Alright, we're here at South Coast Plaza. Damn. Check my shades or something. You want to buy it now or later?
Buy what?
Sydney stuff.
No, I'm gonna do it later.
Okay.
Because I don't know.
How can you buy it later if I'm not here anymore?
I'll take pictures.
Silly.
I'll take pictures which one did the one.
Damn, bro. Hey, focus on me.
Makeup is everywhere.
I know.
I feel good right here. Huh?
Oh, yes. It's good.
Look at it. Look at it. You can make your house like this.
Oh, yes. Those look nice. Oh, I remember now. You took a picture of me over there by the bridge.
Yeah, we're going over there because the other place is the mall. This is like the other part of the mall.
Okay. So yes. Guys, can walk. Feeling yellow today. Very yellow.
of people there.
Oh my god, yes.
Smoking,
Well,
hanging
probably
out.
hanging out. This is look yeah, and a lot of people will probably take a lot of pictures. Yes, I know that. It's gonna be dirty too.
Yeah.
Mahangin sa labas. We don't have. I don't think we have Nordstrom in Maryland. I think we have one in Virginia.
I get lost in this place.
Huh?
I get lost in this
Really?
place. Yeah. I don't go here much.
It's pretty big actually. It's huge. We went here nighttime last time, right? Guys, this is the mall look like. Gucci. You a Gucci? Yeah, Versace. I can't pronounce it. We got Balenciaga. What? Versace?
That's the one
Oh my goodness, Kyle! Oh, look!
Yeah?
It looks cute.
Take a picture like this. That's what Michelle wants.
I don't think she will wear that.
That's her. Yeah, that's her thing.
Kyle, do you want it's my birthday coming this 28th.
December what?
28th this month.
December 28th?
May 28th.
Ah, that's too far, you're not here.
Kyle! I fucking hate you.
It's way too far.
Shut up! It's only 2 weeks or like a week or two.
Yeah, but you're not here.
I'm here!
Well, but still,
I'm
what's the
here.
point? Celebrating it's not still here.
We can celebrate in advance. Alright, so sorry. Champ. Oh, said the Rolex. She said it's the Rolex all the way. Where's the Victoria's Secret though? I think it's. She said I think it's downstairs. No, we'll just go to the thing for everything you want first. Yes, because that's what. I think it's somewhere downstairs. Oh, say the Victoria's Secret. I should say downstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one too, Sarah. Let's go do
Yeah.
it.
You wanna go to Zara first?
Yeah.
Let me check Zara first. This is outfit from OOTD Fash. Yeah, I'm ready. Where's the exit? Okay. Just ask Unchin what size she wears. I think she wears size medium.
Medium?
Because I remember I gave her my my clothes and my dress, and it fits her.
That's what I think. I think just to be, I think they're all medium.
Yeah. Even Michelle fits my top, so medium. Guys, they have Uniqlo out here at South Coast Plaza in California, though, but I don't know in Maryland.
So we have to go upstairs, right? We're going downstairs.
Yes, I think so.
I want to get some ice cream.
I want to get some ice cream and
You have express right?
coffee. No, I'm going express. Going to Express though. Oh my god, that cup looks cute. They have Bath and Body Works. And let's see. What's my birthday? Foot Locker, Pebble Zoo. Oh, you got Disney. There's Disney right there. Kyle.
I don't want to go with her, but when we go to the Philippines.
Still, what's this place called?
Still, South Coast Plaza.
Oh, it's still the same? I think I went in here last time.
Yeah, we went
They
to go
have,
watch a
yes! You know what? We'll go here, like over there next time. After the movie. I think I went, no, never mind. Look at you guys. That's what it looks like. It smells like beef.
Yeah.
Huh. I remember Liberty took me here.
Liberty?
Yeah. And her best friend Jocelyn. Like last time they said Jamba Juice is bomb.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's pretty good. So we just watched Avengers. It was nicely terrible. I think they're gonna come up with part 2. But man, it's still sunny, huh? So just gonna check up some stores. And just bro, this should have bring my glasses with me. Yeah, so that Avengers movie is good.
Pink scar will eventually fade and untamed.
We're going out. We're going out, you guys. We're going to bar or club?
Bar and restaurant, like a restaurant bar and like that.
Okay, in Long Beach.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just
In the ghetto area, the ghetto area.
ghetto area.
Ghetto area do.
Yes, so yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. So my cousin, because my birthday is coming,
Kasi birthday.
28th this May.
Oh, baba, sige mo, sige birthday.
She gave me a Louis Vuitton. I'm like, hello, hello. So yeah, she gave me this cute. Ano sa'yo pangalan nito?
Monogram Eva. No. It's not Eva. Ang Eva, this is the Eva. This is
Yeah, she's a Louis Vuitton.
yeah, Louis Vuitton monogram, but this is a PM size.
PM.
So this is the Eva. The Eva. This one is
Typical Asian.
typical Asian.
Yes. So I'm very thankful she gave me this one, which is so
Nanubra.
so cute. Nanubra na siya sa iyang See, look how extra she is. Look. She got. Oh my God! Don't show the bra. Fudge.
Hug na.
Tuan na. Wait.
This one.
Hold on.
Sabi mo.
So, oh my God, she got this Louis Vuitton wallet, this one, that one, and she's gonna give me this one. Girl, she gonna get this one, that
Chanel.
one, Chanel, and this one, and she's. Hello, universe, from our cousin. We're waiting for my aunt. It should be taking forever. Mga aunt, ta? Kusog man ko ate, uy.
Balik aling dog this weekend.
So we're going to this place called. Ano pangalan?
Ano hindi budlat.
Who is that? Anyway, I don't know. Sa pangalan ni ba?
Gaslam.
Yep, that's it.
Bar and restaurant.
It's a bar.
Live band. Bar and
Live band. I
Hindi
look
na
really
nila.
tired.
Star Wars.
Anyway. You always forget something.
Glasses.
Glasses, key, wallet,
Money.
money, your soul,
Shoes.
shoes. Put yourself together.
Yeah, she gets in a hurry.
Yeah. It's just like this. Wait, day, wait. Oh my goodness. It's so nice out here.
It's beautiful. I sat out there, but I just couldn't.
Oh my god, you know what? This flower.
The hibiscus?
Yes, look at these guys. See. They're so beautiful.
Actually stand in front of the tree and I'll take
Hey guys! We're going keep up our bib because we're going to run for a marathon. Oh my god! I am not trained for this. So I'm not ready.
Marathon for 5K only.
5K only. No, she's going half marathon tomorrow. And for me, not half, 5K only. Because I'm a beginner. So yeah, we're gonna pick up our bib and we're gonna run some errands. It's already 11:57 in the morning here in California.
It's a nice
It's the update and it's a nice weather. Oh yes. So
What's up?
alright, so we're here. We're about to pick up our bib. We're at the OC Fair. We just parked and we're walking right now. So yes, right here, my cousin.
Hi everyone!
Cousin from Earth.
What a nice place! We're here in California, Southern California anyway. We're gonna pick up our puppy beef for tomorrow. So I'm gonna run half marathon, 30.1, and she's running for
5K.
No, it's not 5K. Anyway, she's gonna run for 26 miles. For
Oh
tomorrow.
my goodness!
Yeah. So we are so happy, excited to run. So this is my 5th year running.
Yeah, she
This
has
city.
a lot of
Because I
medals.
love this city because nothing.
Alright, there you have it. She said it all.
Nothing, right?
Alright guys, we just picked up our bib and we're going to Jollibee.
Asa naman imo? Nagbuntis ka ni Milojen.
Gibutang ni mo lupot ka diyot. At Seafood City
Now I'm in
supermarket. We're going to
Jollibee.
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 Right there. Oh, there's a lot of. Ano daw?
Excuse me.
Ano sa yung giga?
Alay!
Oh shit.
Pakas.
Gusto to siya. Ready? Today is May 6th, Sunday, I think. Hold on. Yeah, Sunday. Today is my last day here in California. I'm waiting for my friend, Ate Jel. She's a Filipina. She's gonna pick me up. We're going out to eat. My flight is gonna be tonight, which is 7 p.m. So I'm just trying to fit in. No, not fit in. I'm gonna try to see her and Carlo, my friend, because I has to have a little bit of time and I want to see them. So yes, we're going to Cerritos Mall, I believe. Yeah, in Long Beach. No, it's not. I don't know if it's Long Beach, but we're going to Cerritos Mall. So yeah, you're gonna see them later, and I'm just gonna, like you see, right there. I'm still in the middle of packing. So yes, I will talk to you guys later. Okay? Video kami natin siya. Look, we're looking for food, sweets. Right here. Anong tawag dito, ate? I don't even know. But they sell. Oh my god! It's so look. Oh, you have croissants. I wanna buy some. Carlo, you good? Bruh. Oh my god. More rice. Ate Jel, you good? I'm at Morphe store. Ate Jel. Wala masyadong signal. Walang signal? Some Morphe goodies. Ate Jel. Hi. They have Morphe store in here. They have a lot of products actually. Oh, they got that palette. Have the brushes. We have Jeffree Stars, highlighter, and some lip scrub and lipstick. Sige na! We're having a hard time trying to pronounce this damn store. It's like a Paris.
Let's ask them.
So yeah, we're gonna eat some sweet. We're craving for some sweet. Here, where is it?
I think so.
Dun pa. Wait. Oh, okay. I think, yeah, alright. I think. Yeah, Ate Jo. Give sa mga taong, ano. Asan? Ay, nandun pala. Wait. Pumunta ba tayo dyan? Or, nasa kabila? I think no. It's right across Starbucks. See? Alright, sige. Alright. Paris? Okay. Say it. Paris? Look at this guy. Just been trying to figure out this word. Like Paris, ano ate?